Hey, old man riding here. Did a little bike maintenance today. We cleaned the chain and pulled a nail out of the rear tire that was in there. Let's take a look. Chain is nice and clean. We used some liquid wrench chain lube, of course brake cleaner to clean it up, a little brush to wipe off all that other crap that was on there, and we took that nail out of the tire. It was right here, and we sprayed a little stuff on there. No bubbles. We're all good to go. So that's what I got going on. But apparently the switch, this switch here, didn't know. I think it was on like that, but whatever. It killed my battery. I don't know what the frick the power switch is for. Probably for this plug. Who knows? That's what happens when you buy used. But we'll figure it out. I'm gonna have to jump the battery and see what's going on with that. But yeah, just screwing around today. All right, old man riding. Peace out.